Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to update record using Process Builder in Salesforce Lightning, where I write a condition. If account rating is hot, then we have updated account field as a yes automatically through Process Builder in Salesforce. In this lesson, we will be see workflow rules versus process builder in Salesforce. So workflow rule and process builder both are belong to process in automation in Salesforce. In this lesson, I will be describing the feature and support of the workflow rule and process builder in Salesforce. So what is workflow rule in Salesforce? A workflow rule is a declarative automation feature that allow you to set up a specific action to be performed automatically when certain criteria are met. These actions can include updating records, sending email notification, creating tasks, and many more. What is Process Builder in Salesforce? Process Builder is a visual automation tool that allow you to create automated process for your record. This process can trigger various actions such as updating record, creating record, sending email, and many more based on defined your criteria. So what is the main difference between workflow rule and process builder in Salesforce? So there are four different rule action allowing workflow rule. First, create a task, and second, send a email alert. Third is send an outbound message, and fourth is update a record. So these four major action to perform workflow rule in Salesforce. The process builder are more powerful automation tool comparison to the workflow rule. So process builder have many different actions that they can perform. So in the process builder, we can call to Apex code usage of invocable method. So listed of the invocable method of Apex class can be used in the process builder in Salesforce. We can create a record. We can send an email alert. Call or to flow. So process builder can be called inside the flow also. Post a chatter. Call R to another process builder. We can call process builder to another one process builder. Do an action to keep a third party program. So process builder can be used in the third party program as well. Send a custom notification. So we will be send a custom notification on mobile and desktop from process builder. Send a survey invitation. Submit for approval. So from the process builder, we can send a submit for approval, and we can update the record, and we can update the related record as well from the process builder. So process builder, it is a more powerful automation tool comparison to the workflow. But in the workflow rule, there are only four major action rule performed: create a task, send an email alert, send an outbound message, and update a record. But in the workflow rule, we cannot update the related list of record in Salesforce. So that the process builder, it is a more powerful automation tool comparison to the workflow. In the previous lesson, we have already created live demo scenario example about the workflow rule and process builder in Salesforce, where we have sent an email alert from workflow rule and updated the account record from process builder. How to send email alert through workflow rule and how to update account record through process builder. So in the last lesson, we have to describe step by step all of the scenario. So friends, in this lesson, we have to learn what is the main difference between workflow rule and process builder. So try to do to create workflow rule and process builder in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to create a workflow rule and process builder, try to send an email alert through workflow rule and try to update and record through process builder. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Wave. Then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.